So today we're talking about the Alco safety ball. Now the Alco safety ball, it's perfect for any Alco chassis, other brands as well, but it's to stop people from forcing a tow ball onto your hitch head, and then it works in conjunction with your hitch clamp, your hitch lock I should say, whatever manufacturer again. So they're really easy to use. Lift your stabiliser head up, lift the handle up, slot it in from underneath, lock it down, you'd attach your hitch lock, and then your safety ball is already in place. Really simple to use, all available in our shop. Don't forget, if you like our videos of awnings and accessories, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.